Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how you can program the power liftgate opening height in case your Edge is equipped with power liftgate. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now let's say you're trying to open the liftgate in your garage and the liftgate keeps hitting the ceiling. So what you can do to program it, you will press this power liftgate button once, and while keeping it pressed you will lower the liftgate to desired height. So press it and lower it. Let's say up to here. You'll hear a beeping noise and then you can release this button and press it once so the liftgate closes. And this should do it. And now when you press the liftgate again, it's gonna open to that height. You see? It didn't open all the way and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.